Welcome back to another video, guys. Got another box here. I'm getting ready to unload from a system we've taken out. So let's get into this one. Have some horn strobes. These are Pyrotronics rebranded EH24S. These letterings are a little faded, so I can give a brief show of how these look. Again, these part numbers are EH24S. We have a smoke detector base. This is a DB3S for Pyrotronics. And then that'll go along with these PEC3 smoke detectors. There's a key switch, Gamewell. Part number on this one is M49-0. There seems to be a newer Kidde pull station, and that's a K270A-SPO. Another type of smoke here. It's a PE-11 Siemens Cerberus Pyrotronics. Here's a PE-3. Anything broken like that, I'll most likely just toss. Same for this one. Here is a HS horn strobe. See if there's the base. Yep. There's the base. Different type of base here for a smoke detector. This is a DB11. And I'm actually not familiar with this board here. I've never seen that. Different type of base. This is a DB, Siemens DB AD-PT. This one's got quite a bit of paint on it. Here's the DB11 that I'm more familiar with. I also have a few other sensors here that I can display we took out from other systems. This is a door window sensor by Honeywell, and these are 5816s. These communicate 345 security frequency, so you can link these to any security panel, wireless reception of that 345. Here's a few of these we got. And then they also would need a magnet. And finally, here's just another separate device, a Wheelock RSS 24 MCC, ceiling mounted. It's white. And that will do it for today's haul. There's the link for the Discord below where you can get extra benefits from being in there if you're buying any of this. And then also this panel will soon to be given away. Thanks for watching.